Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel AM Creation. So how are you all? I hope you are very well. Today guys, I have shared with you top blouses designs and sophisticated and elegant designs. It's so amazing and gorgeous videos. These are most elegant ideas. We will be keep sharing design with my dear friends daily. Inshallah, we shares how you like our videos. If you want any videos related to any patterns, you get many ideas from this video and share it with your friends and family members. This video is very amazing and useful for every girls, every woman, and these are fantastic ideas. You get many ideas from this video and share it with your friends and family members. This video is very amazing and useful for every girls, for every woman. These are most elegant and attractive ideas. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friends daily, inshallah. We share how you like our videos, and if you want any videos related to any pattern, ऐसा कोई भी डिज़ाइंस नहीं है जो कि आप लोगों को ना दिखाया गया हो. हर वीडियोस में आप लोगों को न्यूली डिज़ाइंस ही दिखाए जाते हैं. Do not forget to subscribe. If you guys are interested in my videos, you can follow this channel. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel first, and also make sure to follow, be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs shown to you people in it. If you are interested in my videos for getting more new designs,